I'm Ross Robert, the Fleet Garage Supervisor here at Livonia Public Schools. We switched to propane in the summer of 2020. We decided to go with propane because it's environmentally friendly, and there were federal grants that allowed us to take some of our old tech diesels off the road. We have 31 propane buses as of now, and in the near future we're hoping to purchase more of them. Propane buses is a clean fuel, and that's why we decided to go that route with propane. The maintenance on the buses is where we see a lot of our cost savings. Diesel buses, there's a lot of downtime, and some of the parts could be very costly when purchasing those. And with propane buses, we're not seeing so much of the downtime that we see with diesels, and in return, that's where we're getting our savings. So that eliminates a lot of our issues we have seen with diesels, and there's no longer need of diesel exhaust fluid, the DEF, to put in the propane buses. We are saving over 132,000 pounds of CO2 annually by using propane buses over diesel buses. We transport around 7,000 students each day. Annually, a bus drive about 10 to 12,000 miles a year. It's your pickup and dropped off at schools, your sports trips, and medium to long distance field trips. I would say probably the furthest would be 150 miles, so 300 miles round trip on one tank of fuel. It was very easy. It took about a month to get up and running, seeing that we didn't have to dig a hole for a tank to go in and all the plumbing that goes along with that with gas and diesel. The propane sits right on the ground, and then you have your fuel dispenser right next to it. The difference between the gas and diesel and propane is with propane, you're sticking the nozzle onto an actual male coupling and pulling the trigger to adhere the seal for propane to be dispensed. That's why it's safe. When we get new drivers that come in, they have to go through a propane training, which I actually am the trainer on, and everyone here is trained after that half-hour to an hour training course. And our drivers love them, especially during the winter months compared to diesel. They warm up a lot quicker. You can go in and you just turn your key and starts right up like you're leaving for work in the morning in your personal car. With propane, compared to diesel, you don't need a block heater to heat the motor in order to help start during the winter months. We love propane buses because they're environmentally friendly, the lower emissions, the money that we save with going propane, we're able to put back into our schools and classrooms. These buses are a step in the right direction for our students and community.